everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Biden touts US crackdown on airlines over passenger treatment. Washington's Reuters President Joe Biden said on Monday his administration had cracked down on US airlines to improve treatment of passengers, a claim rejected by the carriers. Biden said prior to change made in customer service plans by major airlines if your flight was cancelled or delayed, the top airline guaranteed covering your cost of hotels and meals. My administration is also cracking down on the airlines to get passengers fairer treatment, Biden said. Secretary Buttigieg, at my request, called them out. U.S. Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg told airlines in August he would publish their responses in a dashboard and gave them 2 weeks to disclose what customer service protection they would commit to offering when delays were the fault of the airline. As of last week, airlines now cover hotels, 8 of them. 9 cover meals, 9 rebook for free. Biden said, "We are going to get more rules in the works to protect airline passengers over further." Airlines for America, a trade group representing American Airlines, Delta Airlines, United Airlines, JetBlue Airways, and others took exception to Biden's assertions. It is not accurate to say that no U.S. airline covered meals and hotels for passengers severely impacted by carrier-caused flight delays and cancellations. It said in a statement, adding that the dashboards reflected airlines formalizing exciting policies. Airlines canceled or delayed tens of thousands of flights this summer as they struggled to ramp up staffing as demands returned from historic COVID pandemic lows. And Congress has pressed the administration to take a tougher line on airlines. The Department of Transportation, USDOT, has 5 categories for rating airlines on for both canceled and delayed flights, including whether they provide meals vouchers for 3-hour delays and pay for hotels, transportation to lodging for stranded passenger and rebooking passenger on the same or another island. They get check marks for providing such services. American, Delta, United, and JetBlue all got 5 check marks for both delayed and canceled flight policies, while Southwest and Alaskan Airlines got 4 check marks. Low-cost carrier Allegiant initially received no check marks, but now has 3 for hotel transportation and rebooking policies. Buttigieg told Reuters last month the U.S. approach to regulating airlines and ensuring passengers are properly treated needs improvements. USDOT has proposed rules to strengthen airline passenger protection and require airlines to provide vouchers that do not expire when passengers are unable to fly for pandemic-related reasons. Buttigieg plans to finalize a new rule proposed in July 2021 to require passenger airlines to refund fees for bags that are significantly delayed and for services like on-board Wi-Fi that do not work. Buttigieg said in July USDOT had completed investigations into 10 unnamed airline over delayed or withheld passenger refunds and plans enforcement actions. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.